Hi friends, today I will show you how to do crispy sardine fry. Here I took 500 grams of sardine, I clean it and I cut the sardines. We have to make gashes on both sides of the fish. Add required amount of salt, then 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and marinate for 10 minutes. Grind 4 to 5 small onion, 1 green chilli and 1 small pieces of garlic and ginger with 1 or 2 teaspoon of coconut oil and then marinate this ground mixture with the fish for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to the marinated fish and this secret ingredient makes the fish crispy and add it just before you fry the marinated fish. In a pan, pour some oil and place some sprigs of curry leaves. And now lay the sardines over the curry leaves and fry on medium heat until it's brown on both sides. And our crispy sardine is ready. Thank you.